Hey my officials, welcome back to another video, and welcome if you're new. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. And yes, I have a little bit a different background. If you guys hear noise in the background or anything like that, please, I am so sorry. But in today's video, we are going to be talking about tape-ins. Yes, I got myself some tape-ins from Amazing Beauty. They actually reached out to me and wanted to send me over these tape-ins. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the actual video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video where I give my full review of what I think about the hair and what I'm thinking about the tape-in so far. So yeah, let's just jump straight. Let's get into the actual video.
Alright guys, so like I said initially in the beginning of my video, I did get some tape-ins from Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. They are a hair extension brand. They sell different types of tape-ins. You can always browse their website and see what other options that they have. And I was very happy that they were able to reach out to me because I did want to try tape-ins from a established company. And this is basically how the package comes with the tape-ins. You get 20 pieces. You also get like a clip holder that you're definitely going to need for your hair. You also get a comb, and this comb is everything. Thank you, Amazing Beauty. And you also get replaceable tapes. So yes, you can replace your tapes. And you also get this cute little leaflet, which basically tells you how to use the hair. And if you can also follow them on Instagram, I will have all of their information linked in my description box below. And this is basically a thank you card, but it also has a do's and don'ts for the actual hair. And as you guys can see, this is how the packaging comes. It says select salon selected luxury hair, and it is very luxury to me. And I did get it in 20 inches. Each bundle comes with around 20 pieces. They did send me over 60 pieces, and I did get it in a 1B that I ended up dyeing, so you guys will see that. And now this is me just prepping my hair and actually doing my hair. I was unable to record the actual application. That was very difficult. I didn't get a good view of the application, but this is basically how it looks after. You're basically just sandwiching the tape-ins between your hair, a very thin layer. So that's basically it. It's pretty easy and pretty simple to do. And this is the final product of how the tape-ins ended up looking. And stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Alright guys, so that's basically it. Those are all of the specs, and I kind of showed you a little demo of how the actual tape-ins look in my hair. So this is giving clip-in, but like more of a permanent clip-in. I was told that I can wash my hair with this. I can also treat my hair with it. There's just a lot of things that I can do, but it is very easy to apply. I can leave videos linked in the description box based on the application. I will leave all of the information though to Amazing Beauty in my description box below, along with any coupon codes or any discount codes that you guys can get. But this is the hair that I am wearing. I am wearing the hair, and as you guys can see, it is a very realistic way. If you are someone who likes like natural type of look, I think this would be very perfect. And I know a lot of people ask, is it safe to use this on your hair? And for me, it has not damaged my hair or anything like that. When I did get the hair from Amazing Beauty, I was like, oh my god, is this gonna blend with my natural hair? But as you guys can see, I will try and give you a close-up. It does blend with my particular natural hair. I will admit I did dye it, so sometimes when you dye the hair, it gives it a little bit more of a coarser texture, and I was really hoping that that's what the dye would have done. But this hair, I love it. My mom also loves it. She did do the install for me. Again, you can do this at home, but if it is that you are wanting to go to a hairdresser to get it done, that is also an option. I decided to have my mom do it because I really wanted it to look a little bit more natural. I don't have anything else much to say about it, but I will say I am loving these tape-ins. I did get them in 20 inches as I said earlier, and I'm so happy that they sent me over. I do have 60 pieces in my hair, so if it is that you are someone and you have like a small head like mine, you definitely can get 60 pieces would be enough. You can also use 80 pieces if maybe you want it to be a little bit thicker, but I was kind of glad with the 60 pieces because it comes off a little bit more natural and natural looking. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't cut the ends or anything like that. I decided to just leave it how it is. It's not tight or anything like that. I sleep on it. You can wrap it, you can curl it, you can do whatever it is that you want to do with this particular hair. Again, it's giving natural vibes, so I would definitely recommend, and I would definitely recommend trying out Amazing Beauty. The customer service is really nice, and I will leave all of the links to this particular unit, and they do have other types of unit if you are interested in getting anything else from their website. So all of that will be linked in my description box below, along with like a discount code or like a coupon code. So I'm definitely hooking you guys up. Again, I will leave a longer review in my vlog, so make sure you're keeping up with me, and I'll let you guys know, and you guys will be able to see how I style the hair and stuff like that. But normally I'm someone who just likes my hair dead straight. I think it fits me better. So yeah, so that's basically it, and this is the back of it. So yeah, it's very realistic. Love it, love it, love it. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. And yeah, I think that's basically it. Bye.